Hey there, families and future explorers. Welcome back to Autonet ID. Today, we're showcasing a minivan that'll redefine the way you think about family transportation. Introducing the 2025 Toyota Sienna, the Cosmo Commuter. This isn't your average minivan. It's a futuristic masterpiece that combines cutting-edge technology with the ultimate in family comfort. Let's blast off with that futuristic front fascia. The iconic Toyota grille gets a sleek makeover with an integrated holographic emblem that changes colors depending on the driving mode. Razor-sharp LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights pierce through the road ahead, ensuring maximum visibility for any adventure. A sculpted hood with hidden air vents hints at the efficient powertrain lurking beneath. The Cosmo Commuter's silhouette is a perfect blend of style and functionality. The flowing roofline with panoramic moonroof creates a sense of spaciousness for passengers, while the sculpted fenders with integrated chrome accents add a touch of futuristic elegance. Electronic sliding doors with proximity sensors open silently, making loading and unloading the family a breeze. The black metallic paint shimmers in the sunlight, accentuated by subtle blue accent lines that run along the body, creating a sense of movement. The back of the Cosmo Commuter is as impressive as the front. Futuristic LED taillights, shaped like elongated Toyota emblems, blaze to life with a dazzling animation sequence. A subtle integrated spoiler adds a touch of aerodynamic flair for improved efficiency. The rear bumper integrates seamlessly with the body, creating a clean and sophisticated design. The highlight? A hidden, electronically deployable cargo ramp for effortless gear loading, perfect for those weekend getaways. This isn't just a spaceship on wheels, folks. The Cosmo Commuter boasts a next-generation hybrid powertrain that delivers smooth, efficient performance and exceptional fuel economy. Advanced driver assistance features and a futuristic heads-up display keep your family safe on any journey. And the spacious, customizable interior features premium materials, integrated entertainment systems, and even individual climate controls for everyone. The 2025 Toyota Sienna, the Cosmo Commuter, is a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation and family-oriented design. It's the perfect blend of style, comfort, and technology for any modern family adventure. So, if you're looking for a minivan that's as fun to drive as it is comfortable for your crew, the 2025 Toyota Sienna, the Cosmo Commuter, is the ultimate choice. Let us know in the comments below what features of the Cosmo Commuter excite you the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting family car content. Until next time, happy travels!